Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about my December tutorial. My December tutorial this month is actually Valentine's Day, but it's also using new product that's coming out in the new mini catalog that is available beginning in January. So I'm going to flip my camera and we'll get started. I did Valentine's this year, or this time around. So this is the paper. It's called Love Notes. It's a 6x6 piece of paper. You'll get full sheets. 6 sheets of the designer series paper. Let me quickly show you both sides. And I love this one where it has sentiments on one side and then blank on the other, except for the two from. Same with this one. So that is the designer series paper that you'll get. You will get cardstock to finish the 4 cards that I made in Flirty Flamingo, Garden Green, Afternoon Azure, and Cherry Cobbler. Let me show you quickly the cards. So they're very simple. They're using designer series paper. I did that on purpose because we've all been so busy lately, and I thought this would just be a really fun way for you to make some really quick, fun Valentines, or for anything. But I don't know if you can see on there, but I used Wink Stella, so I just changed up my designer series paper and gave it a little pizzazz, some glittery. So there they are. And you will get this tutorial free with any purchase from me during the month of December. If your order's over $50, you'll get a packet of supplies to complete the projects that I've made. So you'll get the packet with the designer series paper and the cardstock. And if you decide to place an order that's $75 or more, that qualifies you for the product of the month, which this month is a True Blue designer series paper. And when I send you your packet, if you have decided to place that order for that True Blue product of the month, I will send you a couple of sheets of each of the color cardstocks that coordinate with that designer series paper. So just a fun little surprise. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great Christmas, and I will speak with you soon. Thanks. Take care. If you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter. You'll get tips, tricks, and techniques for your stamping and crafting. Take care.